guys, I'd just like to start this video by saying thank you very much for watching all my content so far. Thank you for checking out my Instagram, thank you for checking out my Twitter page, and yeah, I'd just like to make this a quick video. This is not a normal upload, this is just the one video I'm doing now, just for you guys, just to introduce myself to you all. Obviously you know my name by my channel, but it's Dan. I'm 26, I live in the UK, as you all can tell, and yeah, I'm going by my own business and trying different things. Honestly, that's why I thought I'd try this and ask you basically what you guys think I should do next, what sort of videos you want me to do. I'm thinking of going vlogs, you know, all my videos vlog style, but if you guys prefer the drives, the road trips with either music, or if you want to include me actually being in the video themselves, then I can sort that out, no problem. I just thought, you know, after my first vlog, I wasn't really up for uploading it. I was so nervous, honestly it was unreal, but I just thought, I'm going 300 miles to see my brother. I thought, why not let you guys see who I am, you know, because I did do 14 videos previous and I didn't show myself, so, or speak. But yeah, I've just got this confidence now. So yeah, I got trolled yesterday on my first vlog video, but again, as I said on my Instagram page, the guy deleted his comment instantly, so I already won that one. But a quick message for you, grow up. And yeah, it is what it is. But I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's been watching my content, liking and subscribing. Honestly, it just means the world to me. But the uploads now are going to be weekly because my children and my dads are free. So my children are going back to school. Well, they have gone back to school full time now. On Monday it'll be full time. And yeah, I've got between the school hours, considering whatever I'm doing in the week, to, you know, find content for you guys, but the weekend's the best bet. And yeah, I'm 100% committed to this. I will eventually do YouTube full time. As I said, I'm a dad to three, so you know, I ain't got much time, but trust me, for you guys, I'll make time, no problem. Yeah, yeah, as I say, this is a car. This is my car, what I've been doing all the videos in. It's a Renault Clio. It does its job, you know. I've hit now, I've hit 36, just over 36,500 miles. In fact, I've just had the 36,000 miles serviced on it, and trust me, that alone cost £210, and that was discounted apparently. The dealership wanted £400, but that's a story for another day on how crazy actually owning a 2018 Renault GT line is. It's crazy. But yeah, thank you for watching this, and can you please let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. If you'd like to see vlogs only, road trip videos, a mix. 1 week I'll vlog, next week I'll do driving, you know, no problem. As I said, I don't mind for you guys. I prefer you all to let me know though, and we'll go from there, because we can all grow this channel together. I feel this channel has got potential to grow and grow and grow. So yeah, thank you very much for watching it, and I'll catch you guys in a bit.